welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to go live on Facebook Lite. Without any further ado, we're getting right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Facebook Lite app. Once you have opened your Facebook Lite app, from here you'll be on the home page. From the home page, here you'll have to go on your profile page. So all you have to do is simply tap on your profile icon that is located on the top left hand side corner. Once you're on your profile page, here you'll be able to see various options. Here you'll have to tap on the post status update. Once you have tapped on it, you'll be directed towards a page from where you can share a post. Here you'll get about 5 options being photos, videos, add location, feeling and activity, get messages, and on the very end you can see option go live. Here you'll have to tap on the option go live. After that, here you'll be on the page from where there are about 3 options. The first, it is said that you can write something about your life, and there is a see more options, and on the very end you can see option go live. From here, if you tap on the see more options, you can see 3 options. They are feeling, activity, add location, and report an issue. Since this is not of our concern, we will be moving on, and from here we'll be tapping on the go live option. And just like that, here as you can see, you have successfully went live on your Facebook Lite. On the live page, here you can see on the below there are 3 icons, that is a flash icon, a camera icon, and a comment icon. The flash icon is used for the flash purposes. The camera icon is used for flipping your camera, be it front or back, and you can also use the comment icon in order to write a comment. And just like that was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to go live on Facebook Lite. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.